all are safe and are doing great. वेलकम बैक टू माई चैनल यंग ट्यूटर. और आज हम क्लास 9th का चैप्टर करने लगे हैं पाइथन. ठीक है, पाइथन चैप्टर करने वाले हैं फ्रॉम यूनिट 8 विच इज़ टेमिंग पाइथन. एंड द नेम ऑफ द चैप्टर इज़ अ क्विक इंट्रोडक्शन टू पाइथन विच इज़ फ्रॉम योर बुक्स Predicting Future with AI. Okay, it is on page number 176. If you wish to open, you can open your books as well. तो पाइथन जो है हमने क्लास 8th में भी पढ़ा था एंड वी शैल बी लर्निंग दिस लैंग्वेज इन क्लास 9th एज वेल. ठीक है, सो फ्रॉम थोड़ा सा बेसिक से अगेन वी गोना पिक थिंग्स अप एंड देन वी आर गोइंग टू मूव फॉरवर्ड विद सर्टन प्रोग्राम्स later in this chapter or maybe in a second chapter. ठीक है, so सबसे पहले we should know something about coding, that Python and coding, and we are going to give a quick intro to Python. So Python is a coding language where one can simply code and create various websites and apps. So आप एक coding language क्यों सीखते हो? To organize things, ठीक है, to settle things, to create websites, to create applications. ठीक है, for these purposes you are creating codes, you are using these languages nowadays and using the coding language to create websites, apps and to settle your work. Because we need to handle the enormous amount of data, we require a system of it. क्योंकि इतना सारा डेटा है ना, enormous amount of data, and we all know that in the heart of AI lies the data. And because in this ever evolving world we are having so much of data, every second there are transactions, every second so much of data is being transferred from one device to another. So to handle such enormous amount of data हमें एक सिस्टम चाहिए. इतना ज़्यादा डेटा तो हमारे पास है, लेकिन उस डेटा को हैंडल करने के लिए वी रिक्वायर अ सिस्टम, एंड पाइथन इज प्रोवाइडिंग दैट सिस्टम फॉर हैंडलिंग दैट enormous amount of data. सो अभी हम थोड़ा फीचर्स ऑफ पाइथन के बारे में पढ़ेंगे कि यू शुड नो दैट देर आर मैनी लैंग्वेजेस. बहुत सारी कोडिंग लैंग्वेजेस आर एग्जिस्टिंग लाइक C++, जावा, देन पाइथन इज देयर, एंड देर आर लाइक hundreds and thousands of languages which are existing. But among them, why are we exclusively or specifically focusing on Python language? Because there are certain elements which are only specific or limited towards Python only. कुछ ऐसे features हैं जो सिर्फ आपकी Python language provide करती है, जिनके बारे में हम पढ़ेंगे. So Python is a high level programming language. What is the meaning of high level programming language? So whenever this word high level programming language comes, this means that Python can understand the human language. जो हम language में बात करते हैं, like maybe in which we are conversing, or a language which is universally accepted, तो उस language को जब आपकी एक machine समझती है, that is known as high level programming language. वैसे ही middle level programming languages भी होते हैं and simple level programming languages भी होते हैं. In simple level programming language, you have to convert a sentence. आपको हर एक चीज़ को binary language में convert करना पड़ता है. That means you have to convert each and every figure, each and every string या किसी भी type का operator को आपको 0 और 1 की figures में जो है convert करना होता है. That is when you are saying binary. For example, जो मैंने sentence लिखा, it is a high level programming language. Suppose I am asking you to write this in the terms of 0 and 1s. So it would be so difficult for you to remember the code to write these, and इसके एक लाइन के कोड ही simple language में it is of बहुत लंबे लंबे कोड्स होते हैं. So when we are saying that Python is a high level programming language, that means it is understanding our language. ठीक है, मतलब कि ये इनपुट हमारी लैंग्वेज में लेता है और आउटपुट भी हमारी लैंग्वेज में देता है. बट whereas we know that internally the AI machine or the any type of a machine can only understand or process the input if it is in mathematical form. तो पहले आपने suppose इंग्लिश में you wrote something, that English का expression is first getting converted into your mathematical form, and in the mathematical form या जो binary form में आ गया, जो आपका machine समझ सकता है, furthermore it is getting processed, and process से आपको कोई answer you are getting in mathematical form, and that answer in mathematical form is further getting converted into a language which we further can perceive. This is how Python works. Python is well suited for handling big data in various ways through its rich library of pre-designed modules. अब ये एक और फीचर है Python का कि when we were saying that why are we using Python, because there is such an enormous amount of data, and because we need to handle so much of data, we are taking the help of this language Python. And why specifically Python? Because it is well suited for handling big data values or big data in various ways through its rich library of pre-designed modules, or formulas or some short codes which are being provided in Python. Now, Python is the first choice for handling data and manipulation because of its pre-designed modules regarding which we are speaking, and because of its short codes and formulas which are also there. Okay? Now, it is also used in the field of research or by various developers and data scientists. So this can be a question that by whom mostly the Python is used. So आप कह सकते हो कि Python जो है it can be used by anyone, taking from a person who is a student who is in the learning phase, and taking from a professional such as data scientists and developers. So Python can be used by each and every one of us. So that's why it is also one of the reason, because it is a simple language, and because of its features, Python is a language which is nowadays being glorified a lot. ठीक है, और उस वजह से हम Python को ज़्यादा प्रमोट करते हैं. नाउ इंट्रोडक्शन टू पाइथन. पाइथन के बारे में ज़रा बातें हो जाए कि कहाँ से पाइथन आया, किसने रखा उसका नाम एंड एवरीथिंग. सो द क्रिएटर ऑफ पाइथन वाज गुयोडो वैन रोसुम, हु वाज अ डच प्रोग्रामर. ठीक है, ये मैंने इसको थोड़ा उसमें लिखा है. क्रिएटर का नाम याद रख लो, गुयोडो वैन रोसुम. मे बी ही इज समवेयर फ्रॉम ग्रीक or somewhere from maybe it is a Latin word. Guido van Rossum, it is a Dutch name, you can say. Because he was a Dutch programmer. Now in the year 1991 में आपका Python आया. The most popular versions of Python are 2.x and 3.x, and 3.x is a version which is used in most of the industries today. ज़्यादातर कि Python first version of Python was, let me write this, first version of Python was, this type of question can be asked, it was 0.9.0. ठीक है, this was the very first version of your Python language. Nowadays we are having the versions 2.x and 3.x, which are the most popularly used versions, and 3.x is a version which is used in most of the industries nowadays. Python is famous for its simplicity and affordability, क्योंकि कितना simple इसका language है, and because it can and its capability of understanding the high level programming language or R language is what it is making it simple to learn. And affordability, that means anyone can download it. It is for free of cost. There is a website, I can tell you the name of the website, which is www.python.org, and from this website anyone can download this because it is affordable and because it is simple. These are the two main features why Python is famous. It can be, again, the same line has been written which I explained you here in this line, that Python can be used by anyone, okay, simply from a beginner to a professional developer as well. Now another feature is Python is floss. Now what do I understand by the word floss? Floss means free, liber, open source software. This means it is free, that Python is a free open source software. That means from the official website of Python, anyone can download Python and can work with Python, can edit Python, and can also share Python with others, can also share its files, and you can say programs among other people. Now broadly Python is used for web oriented services. जब आपको कोई web page create करना हो या anything which is related to web services, then we are using Python. Now here is a picture of, I have attached a picture of some very important features which are served by Python. These are 9 features which we shall be discussing in our next lecture of Python part 2. This will be covered and this page will be covered. So stay tuned for that, and if you like this video, understood something from it, gained some knowledge, please do help me promote my page. Please click the subscribe button and hit the like button, and also share these videos with your other friends who require help. So thank you everybody for watching, and I'll see you in the next lecture.